Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So what I have here with me right now is another keyboard from Redragon. This is the K556 SE Devarajas, hopefully I am saying that right, mechanical gaming keyboard from Redragon. This is a Sakura pink colored keyboard. So this is a fully wired mechanical keyboard, and this is a full size keyboard, as you can see right over here, with 104 keys. And it actually has a detachable USB-C cable. Even though it's a wired cable, it still is hot swappable, and it has an aluminum frame. So that one is quite nice to see for a Redragon to have an aluminum frame keyboard. So this is the first one that I'll be seeing, an aluminum frame keyboard from Redragon. So let's go ahead and open this keyboard up. So from the Redragon website, actually there are other types of K556 keyboard with different colors, but the one with the aluminum frame is the K556 SE, the Devarajas K556 SE in Sakura pink is the one with the brushed aluminum frame. Okay, so take note of that, because there are a lot of other colors for this one. It's also a K556 without the Pro and without the SE. And we also have the TKL for 556 and the Pro. So there are different types of K556 right here in the website from Redragon. So do take note that if you want the aluminum frame, then you need to get the Sakura pink colored. So from the box we have the keyboard, we have our cables and keycap puller, and also some additional switches that we have here for our K556 SE. So this is a linear dragon chant switch from Redragon. So we have 8 additional switches right over here, which is quite nice. And as you can see here, we have our keyboard itself and some stickers right over here. And as you can see, the keyboard in itself is, well, it's quite heavy, because it's an aluminum frame, and it's quite actually nice. So yep, this is not your normal plastic that we see from Redragon. This is actually an aluminum frame keyboard, which is the first that I see and I reviewed from Redragon. And this is a fully wired keyboard, and I'm seeing that this is very nicely created, and it's very nicely done. The brushed aluminum frame right here, I'm not sure if you can see here the texture of the aluminum, the brushed aluminum is quite nice. And the keycaps being used here is the double shot keycaps, and as you can see, it is not actually just two color, like it's not a pink and gray color one, but it also has a dark blue for the special keys, like for the shift, caps lock, tab, and from the other side as well with your home, page up, the delete button, and all of these things. It's actually in dark blue color. The color combination is quite nice. I didn't think I would like a pink themed keyboard, but hey, this is looking quite nicely, and I like the keycaps as well. So later on we will do a sound test for the keyboard here, but for now let's try and remove one of the keys that we have here and see what we have below. Okay, so as you can see, from right over here, we have our linear switch. So linear switch meaning we will not have, very loud noises on our keyboard. So it's more on either the creamy or the quieter side of the profile. So let me just try to remove this. It's a bit hard to remove the switch. See if I can remove this without damaging a switch. Mm-hmm. It's quite unexpected. It's a bit hard to remove the switch, or I don't think I'll be able to remove the switch. Well, I should be able to remove the switch. So there you go. Oops. Not sure what happened there, but it's quite hard to remove the switch right over there. But as you can see here, we have removed our linear dragon switch. So it's still hot swappable. You can remove and change the switch if you want a more creamy profile or a more talky profile. You can do it with this keyboard. So it's just a touch, and how to remove the switch. So let's go ahead and do a sound test for this keyboard. Okay, so that is our sound test for our Devarajas K556 SE Sakura Pink keyboard from Redragon with the aluminum frame, a brushed aluminum frame. So let's go ahead and see the RGB lightings on this keyboard as well. Let me see. Okay. So we do have RGB lighting, but if you can see in the front, it's not that much visible from the top here. It's quite subtle, and but it's elegant looking. All of this colored keycaps which we have here. So one thing that I'm noticing is that the RGB lights is not penetrating enough on top of our keyboard. So it's either a good thing or a bad thing depending on your taste. But yeah, that's how the RGB lighting looks like for this keyboard. But if you look at it from the side, like from here, it's quite nice looking with all the raised keycaps here with our switches. Okay, so that is our K556 SE Sakura Pink Devarajas keyboard from Redragon. So again, I might say that this is a first for me, having a aluminum brushed keyboard. So it's very refreshing to see this type of design from Redragon, and I like it very much actually. And even the color combination, I thought pink will not be a good color, but with the black and gray colored and dark blue colored combination with the pink colored keycaps, this is a quite nice looking keyboard, and I think this will go in one of our displays here in our setup. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys think of this aluminum brushed keyboard from Redragon? This is a wired 104 keys full layout keyboard from Redragon, and again, this is an aluminum case from Redragon. It's not your typical plastic case that you have here, so this is actually quite heavy. I think it's more than a kilo if you would weigh this keyboard out. But again, it's very elegant looking. Even with the RGB lighting, it's very subtle, and as you can hear from the sound profile, it's a linear type switch, so it's more on the quieter side. And I think some of you out there likes the quiet type of profile, and this will be the keyboard for you. But then again, if you want to change this to a different type of sound profile, you can easily do that, because all the keycaps and all the switches are all hot swappable with just your keycap puller. So there's no problem for you to be able to change not only the sound profile, but also if you want to change the keycaps, color keycaps, or the theme for this keyboard, you can do so, because that is very easy to do. So again, this is the Devarajas K556 SE Sakura Pink from Redragon. This is an aluminum brushed keyboard, bass keyboard from Redragon. And hey, I really like it. How about you? Let me know down in the comment section below. And of course, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can click the button right over here. And of course, I will see you again in the next one. Bye! Devarajas, the Devarajas K56, the Devarajas K556 SE.